my gosh, Jack, I can't believe we got these cool new
Yeah,
toys.
look at mine does.
More no time to get our favorite toy.
Yeah, see, mine talks.
Make it talk.
Hey guys.
That's cool. And I got my Wolverine toy.
Oh, that's really cool.
Big sing song, sing song.
Charmander!
What are you up to?
That was you threw that. You're gonna pay for that. That was like $50.
$50.
Yep. It was at a comic.
Not now, Yellow. My Game Boy. You're not
Charmander, I will break that.
You're not touching my Game Boy.
Whatever, weirdo. Freaking weirdo!
I put it over there. You're not gonna destroy it.
Whatever. So done with these brats.
Hey, Yellow.
Huh. Freaking weirdo! Huh. Freaking annoying! I gotta take out my anger somehow. This freaking gun! I feel like shooting this gun. You know, man?
No.
I am! It's not reloaded, guys. Alright. Finally. It's reloaded. Let's try this again. I feel like shooting something. Still gonna see Charmander, dude. Oh. Oh, sh! Good one, Yellowbird.
Yellowbird, what the heck's wrong with you?
Charmander, be quiet.
Jack. Yellowbird's insane.
Why is he insane?
I don't know. Can we just find something to do to relieve all this weirdness?
Fine.
Jack, we'll just find out something to do. This is
Okay.
stupid.
You know what, Charmander?
Let's invite some of our
Get over here, Charmander! Get over here, Charmander!
Wait, why are you destroying the toaster?
Cause I'm mad!
Why are you mad?
Why are you mad, Yellowbird?
You guys!
You're always mad.
You guys! Pissed me! You guys made me mad!
Yellowbird, calm down.
Look at these stupid stack of points!
What are you doing, Yellowbird?
What are you doing?
Don't think about it, Yellowbird. Yellowbird.
Freaking stupid stack of plates!
Wait, what? What was that loud no?
Mario, do you realize you could have cut yourself on the glass? I'm just letting you know that, pointing that out there.
Mario! Mario! Are you okay, Mario? Yellowbird!
Charmander, I'll fix it, Did that fix it?
You're so stupid, Yellowbird. That's not fixing it.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Yellowbird, what the heck's wrong with you?
Fake brand of Raisin Bran!
What the heck?
It looks better on the ground, right, guys?
I'm out of here.
I'm gonna tell Mario it was you! I'm gonna be a tattletale!
20 minutes later.
Gosh, I'm finally done freaking cleaning up Yellowbird's stupid mess. Oh my gosh. Mom, I gotta see if Mario's okay.
Mario! Mario, look what Charmander made a mess, and he tried to clean it up.
Oh my gosh, I have to get Mario these things.
Shut up, Charmander! Mario, he made a mess and he tried to clean it up to make it look like he didn't. Mario! Freaking knocked out idiot! Freaking weirdo! Knocked out idiot! That's what you get for not listening to me!
My gosh, Mario, I got the thing for you.
What? What the heck? What's going on?
Mario.
I don't even know. That's what he gets for not listening to me!
Mario is my trainer.
Whatever, weirdo.
I'm Mario's pet.
Get away from him. Don't any of you try something stupid. Jack. No. Jack, you should have ran with your friends. You're gonna go into my toaster. Listen. Oh, it's done. Fresh roasted fox meat. Ooh, it's hot. Throw it at Charmander.
My God, I can't believe he did it.
Charmander!
Who did that?
Wait. So stupid, Jack. That's what you get, Charmander. Ha ha.
Is he that stupid? I would place my body with a potato.
Stupid Jack's dumb roasted body. Jack,
Why'd you
wait.
throw that at me?
That's not really me.
Jack,
That's potato.
I'm seeing ghosts. It's Charmander. I'm seeing ghosts.
Get away from me.
Stop haunting me.
That's not real.
Shut up.
Wait, you're real?
Yes.
Jack, I'm sorry,
I'll place
man.
it when you're doing it.
Yeah, you should be sorry.
Get out here, Charmander. Sorry about that,
Idiot,
Jack.
that's my friend.
Yeah, I know. I'm the best in the world.
What's so crazy? What happened today? I heard noise and stuff. Mario? What the heck?
Yoshi, you should never got left alone.
What the heck are you copying? What is this?
You kids are not old enough. Whatever. As you can see, I got a little knife here.
What the heck is that?
A knife.
What are you talking about? 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 What are you talking about?
2 hours later.
What are you talking about? What are you?
A booyah!
Why did you kill Mario?
I did it because he didn't listen. And why are you still talking about Mario?
Doesn't matter, Yellowbird. Yellowbird,
Die! Die! Yeah.
I think he knocked out.
Good, now
Stupid Yellowbird.
we can do it.
Ow! Freaking annoying.
Stupid Yellowbird.
Yeah.
Shut up! Just shut up! Freaking weirdos! They should never did that! All they That's all they did was make me mad! I broke it a little bit. Dang it. So mad! You know what? I think it's time to use my drowning machine! Alright, sorry about that, guys. I just had a little freak out. Shut up! For coming out of nowhere on all those days! That looks pretty good. Annoying. It's pretty good. My drowning machine worked. Stupid creeper. Deserving that and all. freaking weirdos! Where are you, Jack and Charmander? Mostly Charmander, though. Are you in here? Nope.
Where are they?
Freaking where are you guys? Nope, they're not there. I swear, I could have sworn I saw them around here. Oh my gosh, are they under my Captain America? Nope. I could have sworn I thought they were there. Well, gonna have to keep looking. Alright, alright. Oh, what about here? Toad? Freaking sleepyhead. Right, right. They obviously gotta be behind here. Like, Charmander knows that. Whatever. What the heck? Freaking annoying. What the heck? Where are they? No, it's just my old technology stuff. Where are they? Are they in here? Nope, it's just my old collections. I don't even know what that stuff is. Probably Mario's. Where are they?
He's gonna kill us. Jack's gonna kill us.
Charmander and Jack! Ha ha! Charmander!
Oh my gosh, I can't let y'all find me.
Charmander, where are you?
You can't let y'all.
Charmander! Could've sworn I saw him go around here. Oh my gosh, he's not there! Stupid closed thing!
Freaking annoying.
Freaking Rubik's Cube, that's so hard to freaking make all the colors match!
Ooh, a weapon.
I think that gun probably broke. Oh well, who cares? At least I got my pack-up rifle. Gotta look for Charmander. Charmander! I didn't even check in here. Nope. Ooh, Pac-Man. But no! Okay, what about this? Charmander! Charmander! Alright, Charmander! You should've never ran over there! Oh, Charmander, there you are! Charmander!
Protection.
Charmander, how'd you escape the bullet? Charmander? Charmander, you should have never came prepared because take this.
Yeah. Oh,
What?
no
ammo.
No ammo.
No ammo is no fun.
More ammo.
Charmander, please, come on.
It sucks, so it had to come to this, Yellowbird.
Charmander, please.
Yellowbird, since you think you're all perfect and everything, Is there anything you want to say to me now?
I failed you. I failed you as a friend. I should never... You should have never became a gingerbread man. I mean, look what it made you. You're becoming a gingerbread man more and more each day.
You think it's because I'm a gingerbread man? Yes. No, you never heard. Because of you.
No, it's not.
You. It's cause of you!
Put the gun down.
No.
It better not be loaded.
It's cause of you!
Is this guy okay? What the heck? There he is. I need to have a talk with you.
Okay.
Do you know why they're like that?
Yeah?
No, do you really? Do you realize you're the cause of their deaths?
Okay, back off my back,
No,
dude.
let me talk. Shut up! Just shut up! I'm not gonna be silenced anymore. All you did was kill them. And then you blame it on Yellowbird, and that just leaves me to pick up the pieces.
That was... I lived that moment.
Shut up! Can you stop talking for 10 freaking seconds?
Oh, wait, Charmander, what's going on? Oh, hi.
Shut the up!
Junior! You killed him!
Shut up!
You just did that right
Shut
now!
the up!
Oh. That's a shame.
You know what'd be the best thing, Charmander?
What?
If you just leave.
Wow.
Shut up! Shut the up! Ugh. Ugh. And that's the story of the ugly Charmander. He thought he was perfect, trying to take down my perfectness. Wasn't he crazy?
That's pretty.
That was stupid.
That was a dumb story.
Yeah, that
I
was
didn't like it.
stupid.
Yeah, that's pretty stupid.
It was
I don't like
horrible.
how I
I don't like the part when I died, dude.
Me too.
Shut up, Pikachu! You're gonna like it right now. Do you like it?
No!
Oh,
Oh, you
dang!
killed him!
Oh,
Shut up! Shut up!
I guess we
Just
have to go
shut
to
up.
bed, guys.
Shut. Go to bed. They're actually cool. I can't wait to be a part of the group. I actually secretly think they're awesome. Every day they're liking me more and more. Oh, hey camera. Don't forget to subscribe. Those kids are so awesome. I can't believe they actually liked my story. One day we will have a group, the perfect group. Well, we can just get rid of freaking stupid Pikachu and Toad. Then we can have the cool group. All right, I'm gonna have to take a shower. Figalo, taking a shower, Figalo, Figalo. The water is so cold.
Ah!